In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablets on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Huion Kamvas Pro 16. The Kamvas Pro 16 is a high-performance pen tablet monitor designed for digital artists and creators, featuring a 15.6-inch IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. It boasts an impressive color gamut of 120% sRGB, offering 16.7 million colors for vibrant and true-to-life visuals. The tablet's active drawing area measures 344.16 by 193.59 mm, providing ample space for artistic creations, while its battery-free digital pen, PW507, offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and plus or minus 60 degrees tilt support for precise and expressive strokes. With a smooth report rate of 266 pps, full lamination, and durable AG glass, the display ensures minimal parallax and an immersive drawing experience akin to pen on paper. The device is compatible with Windows 7 or later and macOS 10.12 or later, and features 6 programmable press keys for enhanced productivity. Weighing just 1.35 kilograms, the Kamvas Pro 16 is portable and user-friendly, making it an ideal choice for artists on the go. Number 2. GAOMON M10K Graphic Tablet. The GAOMON M10K 2018 version is a high-performance digital graphic tablet designed for artists and professionals engaged in engineering, drafting, and sketching. With a sizable 10 by 6.25 inches active area and an impressive 8,192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity, it ensures precise and smooth cursor movements, creating a natural drawing experience. The tablet features a battery-free passive stylus, enabling uninterrupted creative sessions without the hassle of charging or battery replacement. Additionally, it includes customizable express keys, a touch ring for zooming and scrolling, and supports various painting software such as Photoshop and Illustrator. Compatible with both Windows and Mac OS, the M10K is an excellent tool for digital art enthusiasts, offering a lightweight design, high-resolution touch capabilities, 5080 LPI, and a responsive report rate of 250 pps. The package includes essential components like a pen case, extra nibs, and a USB cable, along with a 1-year warranty to cover non-human damage. Number 3. UGEE S640 Draw Graphic Tablet. The UGEE S640 PP Graphic Tablet is a versatile digital drawing tool featuring a 1920 by 1080 resolution and an active area of 6.3 by 4 inches, making it suitable for both budding and professional artists. It offers an impressive 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition up to 60 degrees, ensuring a smooth and intuitive drawing experience with its battery-free stylus. The tablet is designed to enhance productivity with 10 customizable shortcut keys, allowing users to streamline their workflow efficiently. Measuring 215.3 by 162.53 by 12.06 mm, the tablet is compact and easy to transport. It connects via USB-C and is compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, and Android, supporting popular applications like Photoshop and Autodesk. With certifications including CE, FCC, and RoHS, it prides itself on quality and safety, making it a reliable choice for tasks such as photo editing, online teaching, and note-taking. Number 4. SPASEEBA T605 Graphics Tablet. The SPASEEBA T605 Graphics Tablet is an exceptional tool designed for artists and gamers alike, boasting an ultra-thin profile of just 5 mm, lightweight design, and impressive specifications such as 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a resolution of 5080 LPI. This versatile tablet is compatible with multiple operating systems, including Windows, Mac, and Android, allowing seamless use across various devices without the need for driver installation. Its battery-free stylus leverages advanced passive technology for uninterrupted usage, while the customizable 6 Express keys enhance user efficiency during both creative tasks and gaming, particularly in rhythm games like OSU. With dimensions of 252mm by 160mm and a working area of 170 by 107mm, the tablet provides an ample workspace for detailed artwork and gaming actions. Furthermore, it's compatible with a wide range of drawing software, making it suitable for both professional and hobbyist applications. In summary, the SPASEEBA T605 offers unmatched precision, portability, versatility, and an intuitive interface, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to elevate their creative or gaming experience. Number 5. Parblo A610 Pro. The Parblo U1200 graphic tablet is a versatile and efficient tool designed for artists and creators, featuring 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity that enable the production of exquisite lines for various forms of digital art. It includes a wireless, battery-free stylus for seamless operation, while its fully laminated front offers a generous 10-inch by 6-inch working area. The tablet supports a plus or minus 60 degrees tilt function, enhancing line precision, and connects via an advanced USB Type-C interface. Additionally, it boasts one dial ring and 8 customizable express keys to streamline creative processes. Compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Android operating systems, the U1200 works seamlessly with popular drawing software like Photoshop, SAI, Painter, Illustrator, Clip Studio, and Creator, making it an ideal choice for graphic design, art creation, animation production, and electronic illustrations.